Hi, welcome to my video about working out the area of compound shapes. Now, what is a compound shape? Well, a compound shape is a more complicated shape made up of several simpler shapes. For example, if you look at this shape here, if we split this shape into two, it is actually made up of two rectangles. To find out the area of the compound shape, we must find the areas of the simpler shapes, i.e. the two rectangles, and add them together. So firstly, we need to split the shape into two rectangles. It sounds a lot more complicated than it actually is. So let's split it up first, and I am going to call this rectangle A, and I'm going to call this rectangle B. Now, if you remember from my previous video, the formula that we use to work out area is area equals length times width. It can also be written as area length times width. So let's find the area of shape A first. So we have 5 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters, which gives us an area of 15 centimeters squared. Now let's work out the area of shape B. So we write this out again. Area equals length times width. Area equals, so this time we have 2 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters, which gives us a total of 12 centimeters squared. The final step here is to add them together. So shape A is 15 centimeters squared, add 12 centimeters squared, gives us a total of 27 centimeters squared. Okay, just to recap, we firstly split the shape into into two. So we call this one A, and we calculated the area, which gave us 15 centimeters squared. Then we worked out the area of shape B, which gave us a total of 12 centimeters squared. And then we added the two totals together. So the total area of this compound shape is 27 centimeters squared. What I would like you to do now is to pause the video and follow the steps that I have shown you so far to calculate the area of these two compound shapes. Okay, so let's see how you got on. So the first step was to split this compound shape into two simpler shapes. So we have shape A and we have shape B. So the area for shape A is 24 centimeters squared because it's 6 times 4. For shape B is 18 centimeters squared, so it's 2 times 8. The total area for this shape is 40 centimeters squared. Here we need to split the shape again into two. So it would be easier if we split the shape into two rectangles going along this way. Let's call this shape A and this B. So the area for shape A is 12 centimeters squared, because we have 3 times 4, and 12 times 7 gives us 84 centimeters squared. When we add 84 centimeters squared to 12 centimeters squared, we have a total of 96 centimeters squared.